Hello everyone, it's Mauli again. Welcome to this brand new series where we dive into Firebase for Kotlin Android app development step by step. So in this video, we are going to set up Firebase in a Kotlin Android application from scratch. If you've been thinking about using Firebase for authentication, databases, storage, notification, and more, this is your starting point. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the rest of the series. Here we are in Android Studio. You might have an existing project. You can use that one to continue, or you create a new project. Click on the plus to create a new project. Select empty activity. Enter the name for your application. I'll call it Firebase Kotlin Demo. Click on Finish. Now our application is ready. Head over to console.firebase.google.com. Click on Create Firebase Project. Give your project a name. You can enable Gemini in Firebase if you want to. You can also enable analytics if you plan on tracking the usage later. Click on Continue. Select your default account. Click Create Project and wait for a few seconds. Now Firebase is setting up the project on its server. Now your project is ready. Click on Continue. This is your project console. You can select the application you want to add the Firebase to. Our application is Android application, so you select this one. If you have iOS, you select. For the web and Flutter, they are all here. So for now, select Android. Enter your app's package name, which can be found in build.gradle, the app level, the one with the module.app. Select that one. So look for application ID, which is this. So select this and copy it. Paste it as your package name. The application nickname is optional. You can forget the SHA-1 for now. Click on Register. Now the application is registered successfully. Download google-services.json file. Click here. So it's been downloaded successfully. You have to place this file at the application level of your project. Open the JSON file on your system. Copy this JSON file to Android Studio. Switch from Android mode to project mode. Click on this Android mode to project mode. And then select the app folder. And then right click and paste it there. Click on OK. Make sure it is inside the app folder. Make sure it is inside the app folder, not the root of your project. It should be inside the app folder. Click Next. Now add Firebase dependency to your project. So copy this first line. Switch to Android mode. Under your build.gradle.kts, for the project level, paste that code here. Move to the second step. Copy this line. Copy this line. Come to the build.gradle.kts, the app level. So the second one, this one, the app level. And then paste it under the plugins. Come back to your browser. Copy this line. And then move to the dependency. Under the dependency, paste it here. Now sync the project. Click on Next and then click Continue to Console. Sync the project and Firebase is now connected. When you come to the console, you see the message here waiting for analytics data. So now run the application. Our application has run successfully without any errors. That's it. Your Kotlin Android app is now connected to Firebase. In the next episode, we'll start with Firebase authentication using email and password. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss it. Save this video or playlist because you'll be coming back to this often. Drop a comment if you got connected successfully or if you run into issues. I reply to all comments, so let's fix it together.